Alright. Yeah, there is a run sign. Hold on, do I have to run that way? I'm so confused.
This walk is insane. It's kind of like moving.
Okay, is it me or is it like these walkways are literally long?
This is what an airport looks like.
Guys, this looks exactly like JFK. This isn't even... Did we even move?
I think we might have just stayed at the same area.
Did we stay? I think, guys, we were actually pretty worried before. We thought we were gonna float around for another like 20 hours. They were out of parking spots. Oh, that is the exit sign. That's how the exit sign. That's crazy. So either I take the fat way, or I'm losing weight. I think I'm gonna. Well, we're already going on this, so. Hey, it's that guy. Yo, what's that? No, famous guy. What is he doing there? I don't know his name, but it's. I don't know who he is. We don't know his name. We don't know his name, but we know he's famous.
Makes it look real real.
Oh God, they got like those cool things too.
How many famous people do you think?
Oh God, check out that freaking satellite. That's cool. It's like turning. No duh.
It smells funky.
Not a single person has spoken to us yet with an English accent, and we're waiting. We're waiting. We are waiting.
But when they do so, we will fall.
All right, so here's my group so far. We've got Jen here, Christian here, Anna, hi sis. We got Jade. Yeah, we're video recording this. Here's Nessa again. We're Douglas. Dougal?
Hey, I need to see
Douglas. It's not my fault. The way he. But Dougal's cooler. And we're getting our passports out. So just hold up a second.